excitement! A new box! Ooh. Ooh. What's happening? Oops! Quick! Open! What's in there? Timothy? Oh, excitement, excitement. Is there something in for you? Something's rattling. Wow! Look, Simba, you just demolished your old one. Wow! One for everybody. Oh my goodness. Timothy, do you want one? So, you imagine the rest. I better rescue that swan.